Hey, hello there. How are you doing today? So I've been searching for a flash for my Leica Q. See, the Leica Q, it's a great camera, but it doesn't have any flash like my other compact. The Ricoh GR has a flash. The Fuji X100T that I have has a built-in flash too. It's not perfect, but it helps. Most of the time that I want just like a fill light on the subject, it works really good. This one doesn't have any flash. It's great in low light, but sometimes I need a little flash. And or if you put like something like this on it, it'd be really weird, right? And then you put modifier on top, it look like this. So I've looked around for a small external flash for the Q, and I found this. What's inside? So I'm gonna open it up and show you what's inside. I need an unboxing knife, but the key will work most of the time. Let's unbox. Okay, we have this. It's the FlashQ. This is the version 2, FlashQ Q20 version 2, wireless flash system. All right, let's see what else in the box. That's it, just bubble wraps and empty box. So all I get is this, and this is from LightPix Labs. Oh, it's the box cutter. So what I'm trying to build for 2020, for the new year, is an EDC kit, camera kit that I can use to carry around all day, every day, and just to create content on, without bringing the full frame DSLR kit that I use for event. That's too big to bring around when you go travel and go to eat with family, or take the kids, to go play or whatever. It's a big hassle to carry around. So I've decided on the Leica Q and a small external flash. So in here we get some paper. We'll read it later when we stuck, when we have a problem. Most of the time I don't read it. If everything goes, if I can figure it out, I don't read it. And in here, let me show you this. So it's a Your Off Camera Lighting Kit. Okay, so we got the flash unit, very small and compact, very nice. The button feel good. Yeah. And then how do you work this? Let me see if I can figure it out without going for the manual. Or I don't break it. Oh, okay. So it's a straight on flash, right? Just like regular flash, but it's also, if you press this in and push up, it can tilt. You can bounce this off the ceiling. I don't know if it go all the way up or not, but I don't want to put too much pressure on it yet. So it can go up, and all the buttons in the back. And the nice thing about this guy is, let me see what's in here. Okay, so it's USB port right here. I'm pretty sure that you can charge your your rechargeable battery, because I've read before I order this, is if you have the rechargeable battery in here, you can just plug in the USB-C cable, or this is not USB-C, the regular USB cable, and you can charge it. Okay, so it has the hot shoe connector right here, but this is also a transmitter. If you press it right here and just pull it out, see, now it becomes 2 parts. This is the receiver with the flash, and this is the transmitter. You put this on top of your camera, so it goes right here. On the hot shoe, go right here. And then you can do off-camera flash. You can hold this on, you can put this on And hold it on right here, and then use the camera over here to trigger it. Pretty cool. And when you're done, I think you just put it back in here. Let me see. Oh, yeah. So when you're done, you just put it back in here, and then let go of that button. If you want to release, press the release button, pull it out. You want it back, put it in. That's it. And it stays on pretty good. Very strong connection. Okay, so let's put some battery in here and see if it works. Oh, also, let's check out the remaining of the box. So in here, I also have, they also give you a little, like a little bag, a pouch. Very nice. You can put the flash in here. That. Yeah. Put this, throw this in your bag. Throw this in my sling bag. And then the USB cable to charge it, right? And also the color gel. Cool, I have to test this guy out. So they have all different color gel on. You can put it on the flash. So the gel go in right here. Put this up. And the gel slide in this little slot right here. Let's try one of them, see how it works. They give you a lot. They give you like, I don't know, like 8 color gel. So we're gonna pick the red guy, slide it in here. There's a little gap right there. Just push it in, like that. See, now you have a red gel on your flash. So small. And then when you're done, there's a little tap right here. When you're done, just pull it out. That's it. Okay, put the flash back. Put this away, and you're done. Cool, cool. All right, I'm gonna put the battery in and test the flash, okay? It takes two AA battery. I used a lithium-ion analog battery. It goes in like this. It has an indicator tell you which side to go up and down. Negative over here and the positive over here. Okay. Push this in. Close it up. Okay. Very nice. And then there's an on-off button right here. You can turn it on. To do all that lighting stuff. Okay. Then it should be on. And then you can press the test button right here. Can you see that? Yep, there you go. And the nice thing is this one has a monitoring light too. You can turn on the monitoring light right here for like testing out the light and do a little video. It's a good video light. You can adjust the strength of it too. You go brighter or go softer. This is cool. So let's put this on the camera and see how it works. Turn it off first. Okay. Nice and compact. Oh, and this is the USB cable they give it to you. It's a little, regular USB cable, micro USB. And you can plug it in here, like this. One end in there and this end to a charger to charge it. How come they give you, oh, I see why. Look at this. I didn't notice this. See, the USB cable they give you is this go into the charger, and this they give you 2 ends. One is to charge your battery in the flash, right? And then this end is to charge the little transmitter at the same time. Or you probably have to unplug like that. Like that, look. You can charge both of them at the same time with one USB cable. That's cool, right? Look at that. Hey. Okay. Very nice. This is a cool cable. One less cable to carry around. I wonder if they sell this. Order a couple more. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it on the camera and see how it works. So, this is my Leica Q. Okay, I believe it's this way. All right, and then you turn the knob to lock it up. Okay, so when you have it on the camera, it looked like this. Now we're gonna try to sync it up first before we start. So you press the little quick release, push release right here. Take the flash off. Now it's two separate units. One, the transmitter is on the hot shoes, and then the flash is right here off camera. So first we power this on. It's the power button. Switch it on, power, and then there's a little button in the front of the transmitter. You hold it down for about 2-3 seconds, and the light start flashing in the back to show that it's on. Okay. So now first we sync it up. We hold down the little antenna button right here for about 3 seconds to get it into pairing mode. Okay. And then the same thing on this guy. You hold this two little button down. About 3 seconds. So you see the blue light coming on? Now they're gonna try to look for each other. Look like they found each other, right? So that the blue light stopped blinking, I mean it found each other. So you press either one of these two buttons. There you go. So now they're in sync. Now we're gonna test the flash. See if it works. First I gotta turn on the camera. Okay. You see that? You see the flash? Right there? See the flash? Let's see if you can catch it in here. Right there. Working fine. Alright, so there's different channel and mode. I haven't gone into that yet to try it out. I just want the flash to work like a manual, quick off-camera flash right now, or on-camera flash, you know. So now my Leica Q has a little flash. There you go. Boom. Let me see. There you go. There you guys. Okay, it's working. So this is just a unboxing and a quick impression and a setup on it. So I'm gonna test it out and let you guys know how it works, okay? What I think about it after maybe 30 days, okay? So it's gonna be part of my EDC kit. You know, everyday camera, everyday carry for content creating. So let's go creating. All right, let's go make some pictures, guys. I'll talk to you guys next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.